In this video, we're going to give you a quick introduction to Ricochet ACH, a feature that allows you to send payouts to your consigners through direct deposit. The Ricochet ACH setup process for stores is going to be dependent on what type of business you are, be it sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Now, in this tutorial video, we're going to review the process of setting up an account with sole proprietorship. So if you do have an LLC or corporation, then we highly suggest reviewing the help article that's going to walk through those steps and all of the information that you'll need to complete the integration. One thing we will note is if you do have an LLC, you will need to provide all of the information for all owners who have over 25% ownership in the business. Now, we will go through the process of setting up the integration and also how your consigners will also set up things from their end. But if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out by phone or chat. So to start out, click on Preferences, then Admin, then Ricochet Pay and ACH. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a button that says Sign Up, and go ahead and click that to start the process. Now, at this window, you're going to see fields for email, first name, last name, legal business name, and business type. Now, the software will automatically add in the email and first and last name of the primary account holder in Ricochet, or essentially the main admin. You can update this information if need be. Next, you can add in your legal business name, then your business type. And as we mentioned earlier, we are going to review sole proprietorship during this tutorial, and we highly suggest utilizing the help article about Ricochet ACH while signing up for corporations or LLCs. Now at this point, you can click Continue, and this will bring you to the rest of the business information page for sole proprietorship. Now, if you do have a DBA, you can add that information in here, followed by adding in your business address, then choosing your business classification. And normally for this process, it's going to be retail, and then in industry, we normally see stores use used and secondhand store. Next, you can put in your EIN or employee identification number, and once you hit Continue, you'll be brought to the final page, which is the sole proprietor verification. Here you'll add in your date of birth, and the format you'll want to add here starts with the year, followed by a dash, the month, dash, and the date. Last four of your social, click the terms of service, and at this point you can hit Agree and Continue. Now stores can go through the process of adding a bank account to their Ricochet ACH feature. And once you click Add Funding Source, Ricochet will use Plaid to connect your account. Now you can go ahead and click Continue from the Plaid pop-up, choose your banking institution, and if you're not seeing your name in the list, you can use the search bar to find your bank. Then click Continue to log in. Next, you can add in your banking username and password. And once you click Sign In, Plaid will go through a verification process where they will most likely text you a password or a code to add in. Now at this point, you can select the accounts to share, check any boxes of additional information you want to share, then click Continue. Check the box acknowledging that you have read and accepted the terms and conditions, click Continue Account Information, then click Continue through the prompts, verifying the correct account is being connected. Now before we review the process of how your consigners will attach their account, we do want to quickly review adding funds to the funding source, as well as the balance funding source information. Essentially what this means is by adding funds to this funding source before your payout, you'll be able to get those funds to your consigners quicker, normally within 1 to 2 business days. If you do decide to pull payout funds directly from your bank account, that can take a little bit longer, up to 4 to 6 business days. So this is just something to keep in mind when utilizing this feature and how you'll like to use it within your payout process. And of course, if you are confused or want more information, refer to the help article or give Ricochet a call. The process for your consigners to attach their bank account to their consigner account is fairly similar to the process you just went through. The consigner can either log in to the consigner login using a Mac or PC computer, or using the Ricochet Go app from a smartphone. Once the consigner logs in, at the bottom of their profile page, they're going to see a section for Ricochet ACH. Now, they can click the sign up for ACH after putting in their first name, last name, email address, accepting the terms of service, and accepting the privacy policy. Now, at this point, they are going to see another prompt from Plaid, where they'll go through a similar process of picking their banking institution, which account they would like to attach that to, and hitting continue to log in. Now consigners will go through the process of putting in their login information for their bank, and once again going through that same 2-step verification process. Then once that's done, they'll be able to choose their bank account that they want the funds to go to, scroll all the way to the bottom, hit continue, and after they've checked the terms and conditions, hit confirm one more time, and their bank account has been attached. Now, whenever you run a payout, you'll see Ricochet ACH available in the Run Payout drop-down menu, and when clicked, you'll see a Send ACH Payouts window. Here, you can attach a convenience fee. You also need to go in and check your funding source, either be your checking account or your digital balance. Next, you can click I confirm and then click Send ACH to send the payouts.